Hello everyone. Today, let me to start with minors and cofactors. So before I am going to start cofactors, let me to know about what is meant by minors. Generally, minor is an element. It is defined as determinant which obtained by eliminating row and column. It means what? The minor of an element, it is dependent on the given element. So minor it is dependent on the given element. So containing the element, that is minor of Aij is denoted by capital Mij. It means what here? So let me to take the example. If I am going to start with the matrix, don't take the determinants. Let me to take the matrix A11, A12, A21 and A22. So this is my square matrix of order is 2 cross 2. What is the minor of A11? It means what? In symbolically we are going to be represented M11. It is also equal to write the determinant. When it comes eliminating this row and this column, first row and first column, eliminating first row with first column, what is the minor of A11? That is A22. And one more example, if what is the minor of A22? This minor of A22 can be written as capital M of 22. It means what? Eliminating second row and second row with second column. What is the value? If I am going to be eliminate second row of second column, the resultant is A11. The answer is A11. Similarly, what is the minor of A21? In symbolically we are going to be represented M21. It means eliminating second row of first column. Eliminating second row with first column, second row of first column, that is answer is A12. Similarly, minor of A22 is equal to A12 is equal to M12, that should be equal to A21. What is minor of the matrix? Minor is equal to what is M11, M12, M21 and M22. Write the value here. That should be written in the matrix. That is A22 and here A11, A21, this is A12. So this is our minor of the matrix. What we should do in case of 3 cross 3? In case of 3 cross 3, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 cross 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ 3 cross 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ A11 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. In symbolically we are going to be represented capital M11. It means what? Eliminating first row and first column. Eliminating first row and first column. What is the remaining determinant? That is A22, A23 and A32 and A33. Okay? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2 cross 2 expansion ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. So A22 and A33 minus A23 and A32. So this is the minor of A11. If it is problem ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ what is the minor of A23 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ eliminating second row third column. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ second row third column, eliminating second row third column. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A11 A12 A31 A32. It is also equal to, now expanding 2 cross 2, A11 A32 minus A12 and A31. So ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು minor of A22 find out ಮಾಡಿ, minor of A31 find out ಮಾಡಿ, minor of A32 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, next cofactor. So cofactor of an element is defined as the minor of the element along with positive or negative sign which is allotted depends upon its position. So minor ಮತ್ತೆ cofactor ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಏನು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜೆ isn't it? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ ಬಂದು AIJ. AIJ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A11 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, A12, A13 or A21, A22 or A23 etc. That should be equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus J. This I and J, if it is even it is plus, if it is odd that is minus. That is the difference. And minor of AIJ, we know that previous concept we have been studied about the minors. So how to calculate MIJ? We are eliminating row and columns. Let me just take with example. The given example is, so there is a matrix A is equal to, I will take 3 cross 3, A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 and A23 A31 A32 and A33. Okay, so what is the cofactor of A11? It is equal to, I told you, cofactor of A11 can be written as A11. Either you can write cofactor of A11 or else directly you can write capital A11 suffix A11. It is equal to, what is the formula? Minus 1 to the power of I plus J. Minus 1 to the power of I equal to 1, J equal to 1, and minor of 1 1. It is equal to minus 1 to the power of square M11. It means what? Eliminating minor, eliminating first row and first column, that is 2 2 2 3 and 3 2 and 3 3. So minus 1 square means that is plus. Just expansion of this one is A22 A33 minus A32 and A23. So this is our cofactor of A11. Okay. Later, if it is they will ask you find the cofactor of A33 or else. ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ A33 ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ A33 ಅಂತಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, I equal to 3, J equal to 3. M33, what is the meaning of M33? 6. M33 means eliminating third row and third column. Eliminating third row and third column. That is determinant of A11, A12, A21 and A22. Minus 1 to the power of 6 and plus ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is A11, A22 minus A21, A12. So this is what A33. That is A33. Or else, if they will ask you to calculate if it is cofactor of A23, that is A23 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 M23. So A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 5. It is odd number, it means negative. The position will indicate it. Minus and cofactors depends on the position. Cofactor depends on the position of the given minor. A23 means what? Eliminating second row and third column. Second row with third column. Determinant of A11, A12, A31 and A32 is equal to minus 1 big bracket A11, A32 minus A31, A12. So multiply with minus sign, that is A31, A12 minus A11, A32. Just I am going to multiply minus sign each and every factors. So this is the method to calculate the cofactor of each and every element. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate A21, A22 and A12 as well as A31 as well as A32. So try yourself. Just I will take one example regarding minus and as well as cofactors. Okay, the first example is find minus and cofactors of all the elements. Remember, the question is all the elements. So this is our 2 cross 2 matrix, isn't it? Solution is, first of all, find the minor of an M11. Remember one thing, don't write minor of A11. Directly I am going to write here capital of M11. So it means what? Eliminating first row and first column. The answer is 3. What about cofactor? That is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is M11 is equal to what here? Minus 1 square, that is plus. M11 means equal to how much? 3. The cofactor of A11 is 3. This is plus 3. Here also cofactor is 3. What about M12? Eliminating first row and second column. Eliminating first row with second column. The answer is 4. What about A12? That is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. M12 is equal to 3 means minus. Answer is minus 4. Minor of A12 is 4. Cofactor of A12 is minus 4. Similarly, after getting this position, now choose this position. That is A21. M21. It means eliminating second row with first column. What is the answer? That is minus 2. What can you say about the cofactor of A21? That is 2 plus 1. M21 is equal to, that is minus 1 to the power of 3 means minus. M21 is plus 2. Later, what is the value of M22 is equal to eliminating second row and second column, eliminating second row and second column. Answer is 1. A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2. M22 is equal to, that is plus. M22 means 1, that is A22. What is our minus? Minor. Minus is equal to what here? 3, 4, minus 2 and 1. What about cofactors? Cofactors is equal to, that is 3 minus 4, 2 and 1. So this is the answer. So this matrix is minus of an given matrix and this is our cofactors. So find the minus and cofactors of the elements. It's asking find the cofactor and minus of the elements of the determinant, the given determinant, and verify that a11, a31 plus a12, a32 plus a13 and a33 equal to 0. I need to verify whether this statement is true or false. See here, this is element, this is cofactor, this is element, this is cofactor, this is element and this is cofactor. We are multiplying element with cofactor of any row or any column, isn't it? Let me to calculate minor and cofactors. Okay, M11, isn't it? M11, eliminating first row and first column, that is determinant of 0, 4, 5, minus 7 is equal to how much? That is 0 minus 20 is minus 20. Just write here cofactor. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means even number. It is plus. Need not worry. M11, that is minus 20. Answer is minus 20. M12, that is eliminating first row with second column, that is minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7 is equal to, so minus into minus plus, 21 minus 25 is equal to minus 4. What can you say about A12? 1, 2 is 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 means it is negative value, or else if it is difficult, I told you in the previous class, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, isn't it? Now it is minus, we get minus of an minor element, that is plus 4. Later, M13, it means what? Eliminating first row and third column. 6, 0, 1, 5. 30 minus 0, that should be equal to 30. A13, that is, this is even number. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 means plus, even number. Minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus. Answer is 30. Okay? Because the answer is cofactor, that should be minus 20, 4 and 30. Right? Similarly, you can also calculate M21. M21, the M21 here is equal to eliminating second row with first column. Minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7. Now simplify. That is plus 21 minus 25. That should be minus 4. A21, that should be equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 means minus. Minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. M22, it means what? Eliminating 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 second row and second column, that is 2 5 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 14 minus 5, that should be minus 19. What can you say about A22? 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 means plus bracket of 1 minus 19, that should be minus 19. M23, it means eliminating second row with third column, that is 2 minus 3 1 5, 10 plus 3, that should be equal to 13. A23 is equal to odd minus of 13. We get here cofactor is 4 minus 19, that is minus 13. And similarly calculate M31. M31, eliminating third row with first column, that is determinant of minus 3 5 0 4 is equal to minus 12. A31, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 means plus, that is minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Okay. Similarly, M32, it means what? Eliminating third row with second column. 2 5 6 4, that is 14 minus 30, that should be equal to minus 16. Okay. A32, it means odd number. Odd means minus of minus 16, that should be plus 16. M33 is equal to eliminating third row with third column, that is 2 minus 3 6 0. Multiply here 0 plus 18, that should be 18. A33 is equal to even number, even means plus 18. Answer is 18. Now we get value minus 12, 16 and 18. So it means what? Cofactor. So now here cofactor is equal to in the position A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So here it is also equal to A11, that is minus 20, 4, 30, 4, minus 19, minus 13, minus 12, 16 and 14. So this is our cofactor of the given determinant. Okay. So having determinant is the given determinant, we need to calculate cofactor of the matrix in each and every position. I need to verify A11. A11 means this is the element of A11. I need to verify LHS. A11, the minor of an element, plus A12, minor of second element, A13, minor of third element. A11, that is 2 into A31. What is the value of A31? Minus 12 plus A12, that is minus 3. This is A12, isn't it? This is A12 minus 3. A32 16 plus A13 that is 5. A33 is 14. Now simplify. Minus 24 minus 48 plus 60. Now it is equal to, sorry, 70. This is 70. Minus 24. Okay. Is it right? A31, A32 and A33. Okay, is it 14? Now 60, 68 and 72. I have been little bit mistake. A33. See here A33 what will comes? Minus 18. Okay. A cofactor of an element is eliminating third row with third column 200 plus 18. Sorry, this is not 14, this is 18. Okay, sorry, 18. 90. This is our 90. Okay. Into 8 minus 30. 8 minus 30. So 8 minus 30 is, this is mine, minus 22. Minus 22 means one more minus. Minus into minus plus. This is 22. So what did I mistake here? Sorry. This is plus 22 and this is 18. Okay. So here 22. 6 minus 66. This is 22 minus 66. Now we get the answer 90. See here, this is minus 90 and plus 90, that should be equal to 0. It means yes. So this is our RHS. So both are equal. So this is important note for CET exam. The note is, if element of row, you can choose element of row or column, or multiplied with cofactor of any other row or column. See here. So this is mine element of first row. This is mine element of cofactor. This is cofactor of third row. Multiplied, the resultant is 0. Or else you can choose first column with cofactor of first column, or for second column, or third column, or fourth column. If you are multiplying with element of first column with cofactor of first, second, third, answer is 0. Or else we are taking the first column of an element, or else we can take row of the cofactor, first row, second row, third row, cofactor of first row, second row, third row. The multiplication, the resultant will be 0. So be careful. Then their sum is 0. So this is homework. So find minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. You can calculate each and every element of minors of 2 cross 2. Similarly 3 cross 3. You can also calculate minor of this element. Don't forget to write here it is 0. Don't left the value. You can also calculate minor of 0. That is What is the position A12? Eliminating this one, this column. Answer is we get 0. Don't worry, but calculate all each and every position of an minors as well as cofactor. So find the second row only using cofactor of an element. Second row, only second row. Find the cofactor of only second row using cofactor of element. Third column. You can calculate only third column of the cofactors. So also, so this is our CET based example. A11, A02. Choose a or find each and every element A, B, C, D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.